The city reported 27 deaths today, the third highest number of COVID-19 related deaths announced in one day. And again, these deaths didn't happen in one day, but over a span of several weeks.
But there have been many questions about the total number of deaths in El Paso reported by the city versus the number of deaths the state says we have so far. And today, the city and county health authority explained the discrepancy in numbers. ABC 7 Saul Science joins us live outside City Hall with that explanation. So, why the difference in numbers?
Well, Eric, the health authority, Dr. Hector Carranza, says that the difference in numbers is because the city thoroughly investigates those deaths as opposed to what the state does. I want to give you a side-by-side comparison between the city and the state numbers. As you said, the city today reported 27 COVID-19 related deaths, bringing the total to 968 people who died as a result of COVID-19. But check out the state number. The state breaks down the number of deaths county by county, and they're showing the city of El Paso has a total of 1,142 people who died as a result of this lethal virus. Dr. Carranza explained why there's a difference in those numbers.
The state is reporting the COVID-19 related deaths just by information from death certificates, but we are a lot more thorough in which we request the medical records from their attending physicians or from any other medical sources from those individuals passing away from COVID-19. It takes some time before we receive those, so it will lag by the time of death from the time that we confirm those deaths related to COVID-19.
The health authority went on to say because of that lag, because of their thorough investigation, there is a lag between the numbers that they report and the numbers that the state reports. In essence, El Paso could potentially reach those same numbers that the state has, which is 1,142. Reporting live outside City Hall, Saul Science, ABC 7.
All right, Saul, and this is further proof of that. Although there were 27 more deaths announced, the number of deaths under investigation still increased by 9. There are now 603 deaths under investigation. 545 new cases, meanwhile, were announced. The number of active cases decreased to 37,586. The city says it's keeping the original quarantine guidelines in place. This after the CDC shortened the recommended quarantine period from 14 days to 10 days. Local health officials say this is due to the recent surge in cases and hospitalizations in our community. The CDC made the new guidelines yesterday and also allowed the quarantine to end after 7 days if a person tests negative for the virus and has no symptoms. The public health director says they will evaluate and determine whether to adopt a shorter quarantine period after the holidays.